Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video, we are going to make these tiny studs with pearls. Here I have used 3 pearls and I have already made these studs in 4 colorways. Here I have used cream pearls with these 11 O's in plum iris color. Then here I have made these earrings with powder rose pearls and with silver color beads. Then I had made these in dark maroon color, dark maroon fire polished beads. Here I have not used pearls, I have used fire polished beads, 3 beads, and with champagne 11 O's and 15 O's. And this one I have done with lavender pearls with silver beads. In this video, we are going to make these cute studs in black color. So let us see what all material do we need to make these earrings. Friends, for making our tiny pearl stud in black color, we would need these 3 pearls in black color. These pearls are the only thing which are going to give color to our earring. As I am doing this in black color, so here I have used black color pearls, and if you want to make them in any other color, you can use the same color pearls. Then I'll be using these 11 O gold. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized gold 11 O's, and these are Miyuki duracoat galvanized gold 15 O's. Here I'm using this 6 by 12 earpost. I'll be working with Hana thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. We would start making our tiny pearl stud by picking up 4 3 pearls. Now I will bring them down towards the end of my thread and tie a double knot like this. Now I will pass through all these 4 pearls, pulling in this tail in between the pearls. Like this. Now after exiting through this 3 pearl, I will pick up 1 15 O, 1 11 O and 1 15 O seed bead. Here I have picked up 1 15 O, 1 11 O and 1 15 O gold and pass through the same pearl. I'm exiting through like this and push these beads in front like this. Now I will step up into the first 15 O and the 11 O. Pick up 1 15 O gold and pass through the opposite pearl. Here you can see that I added these beads to this pearl, and now after picking up this 15 O gold, I'll be passing through the opposite pearl like this. Again pick up 1 15 O gold and pass through this 11 O gold like this, and step up into this first 15 O that we just added and move into this 3 pearl underneath. Just push these beads in front and pull the thread, and this is our front. And now after exiting through this 3 pearl, I will pick up one 11 gold and pass through the next 3 pearl like this. Again pick up one 11 gold and pass through the next 3 pearl. Pick up one 11 gold and pass through the next 3 pearl, and the last 11 and pass through the next 3 pearl and step up into the first 11 gold that we added in this round. And now we can cut this tail off from our earring. Now after exiting through this 11 gold, I will pick up 5 15 gold, 3 and 2 5, and pass through the next 11 gold. Again pick up 5 15 gold and pass through the next 11 gold, and we are going to do this all through this round. Now here I am adding my last set of 5 15s, and this is the look from the back side and from the front side. Now we added these 15s to create a net for adding our ear post. Now I'm going to step up into the first 3 15s of the first set that we added. Right now I am exiting through the middle 15, that is the third 15, and pick up one 15 gold and pass through the middle 15 of the next set, that is the third 15. Again pick up one 15 gold and pass through the middle, that is the third 15 of the next set. Pick up one 15 gold and pass through the middle 15 of the next set, and my last 15, and I will pass through the middle 15 of the first set like this. Push these up and create a net. So this would be our net, and now holding it together like this, we are going to place our ear post into it. Very gently we are going to place our ear post, and again pull the beads together like this. And now I will step up into the first 15 that I just added in this round. We have to hold it carefully into the middle 15 of this set, into the second 15 that we added, and into the middle 15 of the net, into third 15 and third middle 15, and into fourth 15 and the middle 15 of the fourth set. Now we are going to pass through all these beads once again to reinforce. Like this. So here we have fixed our ear post. You can see that it is fixed now. And now after exiting through this middle 15, I will go down through these 15 O's into the 11 O, like this. Now this is the look from the front, and after exiting through this 11 O, I'm going to pick up two 15 O gold, one 11 O gold, and two 15 O gold, like this. Two 15 O gold, one 11 O gold, and two 15 O gold, and pass through the next 11 O gold that we added in between the pearls. Again we are going to pick up the same set, two 15 O gold, one 11 O gold, and two 15 O gold, these 5 beads, and pass through the next 11 O gold. Again picking up two 15 O gold, one 11 O gold, and two 15 O gold, and pass through the next 11 O gold. And now the last set of these beads, like this, two 15 O gold, one 11 O gold, and two 15 O gold, and pass through the next 11 O gold, like this. Now this is the look. And now after exiting through this 11 O gold, I will step up into the first two 15 O gold. Now here we are going to skip this 11 O gold that we added in the set and pass through the next two 15 O gold, like this. We have created the corner here. Pass through the next 11 O gold in the mid and into the next two 15 O gold, skip this 11 O gold and into the next two 15 O gold and 11 O gold. Here pull this 11 O gold up, and this way we are going to create a corner. Again into the two 15 O gold of the next set, skip the 11 O gold and pass through the two 15 O gold and the 11 O gold. And this way we have created the third corner into the two 15 O's, skip the 11 O and two 15 O's, and like this, pull it up, like this. So here we have created the corner and into the 11 O gold, like this. So here we have completed our tiny pearl stud, and now after exiting through this 11 O, I will go back into the 15 O's that we created, the net for fixing our ear post, tie a knot in between these beads into this 15 O, tying a knot again, into the two 15 O's down here, into the 11 O, up into the 15 O's, again tying a knot, like this, into the next 15, down into these 15s, into the 11, and into the 15s, this one. And now you can cut the thread off. And so friends, here we have completed our tiny pearl studs in black color. These are very tiny, and you can also use them as ear post in your danglers. So these are in black color, and I had already shown you some more colorways in the beginning of my video. This one is in dark maroon color. Here I used fire polish beads, and this is in lavender color. This is with powder rose pearls, and this one I did with white pearls, cream color pearls with these plum iris 11 O's. So these are some of the colorways I made in this earring, and they can easily be used as ear post or standalone, and they look really gorgeous while wearing. And I hope you will love making them, wearing them, and gifting them to your friends and family. And friends, if you like my designs, my tutorials and videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next video. Thank you.